Hi, Jenny here. Even though it's only spring, it's kind of a rainy, gloomy day out today, so I was going to make some chili. The recipe that I have is called a turkey and black bean summer chili. So we're going to have a little early. Not summer yet, but that's okay. So let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 cups of chopped onion, a red bell pepper, 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 cup of frozen corn, a 4-ounce can of green chili peppers, or we've got a fresh green pepper here we're going to cut up, 15-ounce can of black beans, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste, and 2.5 cups of a broth. First we are going to drain our beans, and then they can stay draining and all that while we cut up our vegetables. We'll drain them and rinse them, and they'll be good to go. Alright, we are going to chop up our pepper, and we're going to chop up our onion, and just put those aside in a bowl, and then we'll also chop up our green chili pepper. Alright, on to the green chili pepper. I've never used fresh chili peppers before. I've only done them canned. So, I don't know how hot they're going to be. I don't like hot stuff myself. Nor does my mom, who I usually share a lot of my food with. So my understanding is, if you cut the peppers, get rid of the seeds, get rid of the pith, it shouldn't be too hot. And now wash your hands. Alright, we are going to start with putting a tablespoonish of oil in the bottom of our pan, and we're going to cook our onion and red pepper for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's just about cooked through. Then you can save your bowl, because when they're finished cooking, we're going to take them off the heat for a minute. You can put them back in this bowl. And then we're going to cook our turkey. Smells so good. Alright, the onions are starting to get translucent. Peppers are looking cooked here. So we are going to take this off the heat. Like I said, we're going to transfer this back into the bowl we got it from. Alright, the other tablespoon of oil. And then our turkey. Alright, once the turkey looks like it's done, you don't see any more pink in the middle, then we can add our other ingredients. So it seems to be pretty good. I don't see any pink. Alright, I'm going to add our red peppers and onions back in. 1 cup of corn. Green chili peppers. Our beans. Half a teaspoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Salt. Pepper. Stir it up. So colorful. So good. Smells pretty good too. Nice. Alright. Then we're going to add our broth. I like these kind of containers, is when you open them, it automatically opens the seal on the inside also. So you don't have to worry about taking off a seal. It's 2.5 cups. We're going to bring this to a boil, and then we will simmer it for 25 minutes. Jeepers, that looks good. Alright, the soup is boiling, so now we will let it simmer. We'll turn it on low, and we will simmer it for 25 minutes. Gotta make sure that you stir it a couple times while you have it simmering here, just so that it gets heated through evenly. Alright, the chili is all done. Looks delicious, smells delicious. I can't wait to eat it. I'm hungry, as per usual. So anyways, I will leave the recipe for this down in the description down below. Let me know in the comments below if you like to eat chili, what your favorite recipe is. Maybe I'll get around to trying that one. I'm gonna eat my dinner. You like my dishes? You know, I've had these dishes, I figured it out, since 1989. Does anybody else have dishes that old? Probably not. I was thinking that when I colored these, like purple and all. I'm like, does anybody have purple dishes? That'd be kind of fun. My favorite color is purple. Can you imagine a purple kitchen with purple dishes? That would be fun. But I'm finally getting a few chips in these. So I'm finally kind of thinking about maybe getting some new dishes. You'll find out if I have them in a video. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my dinner now. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. That's good. Had a green chili in there. A little bit of heat. Not too spicy for me though.